Hey everyone, tonight we're going to do something special. You know, I haven't cooked in a while. I know I made a great drink the other night. And matter of fact, this is going to let you check out. But I'll see you soon. We're gonna be right back. We gotta let the magic happen. Cheers. So this is the part you guys normally don't see. You see the finished product when I'm having fun, when I'm cooking, when I'm doing my thing. But actually, to tell you the truth, I mean, people ask me, so why are you doing these videos and so on? Well, I do them because this is my time to unwind and relax. This is when I really come home at night, chill. I've had a long day. Most of you don't even know I'm in real estate. I've been in real estate for 42 years. I've had a brokerage. I specialize in estates and trusts. I'm a receiver, referee, trustee, and so on. Since most folks don't even know that because they see me as Butch. I'm cooking or I'm golfing and I'm doing all those things. But the real thing is that, you know, the one thing I'm passionate about is Alzheimer's, you know, because of those 13 years of taking care of my mother. And those were long, grueling years for me. So this is an opportunity for me to kind of unwind, chill out, and just relax. And so that's why I do come in and I cook late because that's my time. It's quiet because all throughout the day, I'm rolling all the time. And of course, you know, you see me with my Be Gear stuff and yeah, I do cook with my hat on. Most people say, Butch, you cook with your hat on? Yes, I do. But I'm gonna show you something else real quick. I'm gonna pan the camera around just so you can see it. Look what's over there. Look what's right there. There's the ironing board. Do you remember this? It's still there. That ironing board is still there. See, when I was the cooking bachelor, you know, that was the big thing. Folks about to say, Butch, why you got an ironing board? Because every bachelor irons, I believe, at least I know I do, and I'm sure a lot of you do. So there are a lot of little things that you probably don't know about me, and I thought I would just say it because we're waiting on our turkey wings. We got 82 minutes and 53 seconds left to cook. And when they finally finish, it's probably gonna be after midnight. We're gonna sample it, taste it, and we're gonna let you see what it looks like. It's gonna be fantastic. But you know, I like to be transparent and clear the air. Of course, I'm gonna have a little Old Forester, which I do like, and I'm gonna make a small one here because it's late. And this is my little relaxing nightcap. Boom. Then I'm gonna add just a pinch of Grand Marnier to that one, which is what our turkey is based on. And now I'm gonna put a splash of lemonade. Ooh, there you go. And that's my nightcap, like old-fashioned day when you had a nightcap. So this is what I'm doing tonight. But cheers to everybody out there. Cheers to cooking. Cheers to Be Gear. Cheers to you watching. And cheers to us continuing to do the work we do with Alzheimer's. But I am so excited to have each and every one of you tune in. Right there. Okay. Wow. Mm-hmm. Take a peek at that. take a peek at that. Let me step back a little.